Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Phil Dean, and in this video we're going to talk about how to have multiple streams of income. Having multiple streams of income is something that I've been doing for a very long time, and the reason is you got to learn to diversify your income. If you work a 9-to-5 job, you're going to get to a point where it's going to be hard for you to earn any extra money. You're going to kind of get to a point where you plateau and cap out your income. But by having multiple streams of income outside of your 9-to-5 job, it's going to diversify, and you're going to be able to save extra money, put extra money into your bank account, save for emergencies, and just be plain better off. So I read an article that was published by LinkedIn in May of this year, 2023, and it stated that millionaires have about 7 different income streams. And the reason they do this is very, very simple. They maximize or leverage their time and minimize the risk that they are taking. I mean, think about it. You can only work so much in a day, but by having multiple streams of income, it gives you a greater flexibility and maximizes your financial life and makes it more stable. In the future videos, I want to discuss with you passive income ideas. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss a single video. Warren Buffett says that you need to learn how to make money while you are sleeping, or you are going to work till you die. I don't know about you, but nobody likes to be in a hamster wheel where you feel like you're just working and not getting anywhere. Well, that is why you implement multiple streams of income. So what are some of the most common multiple streams of income that people are doing today? Well, number one, I would say do not forget your salary. Your primary salary is probably the place where you are going to start when you get started in life. Most people have a 9-to-5 job, and that is actually their main source of income. What I would like you to do is I want you to get to a place where you can leverage your money and make it work for you, where you can generate enough of cash and extra money to invest in other sources of income streams. An example of one of the income streams that my wife and I started many years ago was we raise purebred dogs. This has generated for us tens of thousands of dollars a year and helped us actually raise enough money where we could buy newer vehicles, we could build an addition on our house, go on vacation, or whatever without any additional debt. Number two is start an online hobby business. Some of the most common hobby businesses in 2023 are flipping things for cash. Look around your house and find items that you are not using. Then go ahead and sell them. After that, try doing something like bargain hunting, where you find good deals, whether it be reselling vintage goods or used antiques or used clothing. Websites like eBay and Amazon are a great place to start. Find an area that you're good at and you have a passion about, and monetize some of those talents. Keep in mind, you want to find something and try something that takes little of your time, but the returns are a good financial reward. For me, selling on eBay has been very, very profitable. When I looked at my last year's sales, I was totaling somewhere around $9,000. And one thing I can say, when you sell something on eBay, it takes little to no effort. Once you photograph it and you list it and you publish it, eBay takes over and you simply make a sale. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss a single video. And make sure you leave your comments below on what you do to have multiple streams of income. I would love to hear your success. A third way to make a little extra income is try renting out a spare room in your home. With the rise of Airbnb and VRBO, it is very, very easy to rent out a portion of your home. And you can do this or as little or as often as you want. It's really up to you. Think of it this way. Maybe you have a fixed up basement that you can turn into a living quarters, or maybe there's an upstairs bedroom or a room that you can rent out, or you can actually maybe do a little bed and breakfast. In today's economy, this is a really, really quick way to easy make $500 or $1,000 a month. Or think of it this way. If you're renting an apartment by yourself, why don't you try finding a friend or a roommate that could split the cost and share the expenses, and this would allow you to actually put extra money back into your pocket. So the fourth and final way that you can build an income stream is to learn to monetize the skills that you have learned over the years. If you find yourself naturally teaching your skills to others, why don't you try putting your teaching skills into a teachable course and sell it online? There's websites like Teachable and Kajabi where you can actually take those skills and turn them into paid courses. Take what you have learned and put them into a simple, easy to follow and understand courses that other people can benefit from, and that you can earn cash and put cash in your pocket. The point is this: there's many ways to actually have multiple streams of income. It is up to you to find what you actually enjoy doing and what is really easy for you. Don't get bogged down. It is actually easier than what you think. And the ideas that I described here are just ways to build your creativity and your curiosity and give you places that you can start on your own. So if you enjoyed this video, again, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn the notification bell on so you do not miss a single video, and we will see you in the next video.